Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Bidda. A few days ago, one of my friends called me in a panic. He told me that his computer was constantly showing security warnings. Every few minutes, a notification would pop up, claiming that his antivirus subscription had expired, and that his computer was infected with dangerous viruses. The alerts looked serious, and they just wouldn't stop appearing. At first, he thought his computer had been hacked. He tried closing the notifications, restarting his browser, and even rebooting his PC, but nothing seemed to work. The warnings kept coming back, making the situation even more frustrating. So, he asked me to take a look. When I started investigating, I noticed something very strange. The notifications looked like they were coming from McAfee, but there was one major problem. He had never installed McAfee on his computer. That immediately raised a red flag. After digging a little deeper, I discovered that these weren't real antivirus warnings at all. They were fake notifications generated by a scam website, carefully designed to scare people into clicking suspicious links or paying for services they don't actually need. The surprising part is that thousands of users run into this exact problem, and many of them believe their computer is infected when it really isn't. If you've been seeing similar pop-ups on your screen, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove this fake McAfee pop-ups with the simple steps. So let's jump right in. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and open Site Settings. From below, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. If you see any unknown website here that you have already given permission to, click on it. Next, go to Cookie and click on Delete Data. Then click on Delete again. That's it. So friends, this is how you can remove these fake McAfee pop-ups without paying a single cent. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.